Look at this shit. It's blowing sideways. It's supposed to be 60 mile per hour, but I don't know. I think it's like 40 mile per hour. That's weird. I don't know if you can hear the thunder or not. I was gonna go out there, but then I thought, nah, better not. Better not. Let me put it down so you can see the, oh shoot, you can't see it from here. It's gonna show you the bottom of the parking lot. Oh, there. See how the water's going across the rain? Crazy, isn't it, Eli? Eli's never freaked out from a storm before. He's freaking out over this one. It's crazy. Wow. Parking lot's like a freaking river. How my old bug don't float away. It's not, guys, I'm just being funny. It's not gonna float away. Sure getting a bath though. Needed it. Or they were saying earlier that we were going to have tornado warning, but we didn't get a tornado warning, just a severe thunderstorm watch, and then it went to warning. And they said some areas will get hail. Not everyone will get the hail. It's just sheets of rain. Wow. It's just so, oh my gosh, I wish I could go out there. It's so crazy how it's going across the parking lot. Wow. Isn't that weird? It looks like art to me. Some kind of weird art. Mother Nature's art, I guess. I know, Eli. Good thing you're not out there, huh, buddy? Eli lived on the streets for 3 years before I rescued him. He was one of them alley cats. Wild shit. Where you at, buddy? You hiding? You hiding? He's down here looking out. He was up on his tower. He decided to get down here and look. What is that? That's nuts, isn't it, Eli? Aren't you glad you're not out in that? I'm glad you're not out in that. Where would you hide? It's just wild. Can you guys hear it? Maybe if I'd shut up, you could hear it, huh? He's pulling on my shirt. You want me to get away from the window, huh? This isn't a window, it's a door, but why are you pulling on me? Cats know, man. Cats and dogs know. They're like sensitive to this kind of stuff. Well, you're standing there by the door. I know. It's wild. Wild. My little fairy girl's glowing out there. It was like 86 today. We're supposed to get into the triple digits Sunday. It's weird weather for Ohio. We usually don't get that hot. And we usually don't get this much rain either. Whoa. I've had that before. There. It's wicked. Wicked. I like watching thunderstorms. I think I told you guys this story before. The only time I got scared was Outer Banks. It was a heck of a storm. We were right on the beach. I went inside. Kids stayed outside, and I went inside. Like, oh, it's too freaky. But it was more thunder and, lightning all the way from the sky to the ground. It wasn't just wind and rain like this. Whoa. That was cool. I don't really see any lightning, though. Well, I mean, I can see the flash, but I don't see, like, lightning strike. But that's a good thing. It's just rain and wind, thunder, and lightning flashes. I don't see any sky to ground lightning out there. Huh. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you that. I thought it was cool. Cool. They're batting down the hatches. Wow, that was awesome. All right, guys, love you. I will see you next time. Bye for now. I don't think the electricity will go out. It usually doesn't go out here, but I bet it's gone out for others. Hopefully it comes back on for them soon. Oh, that was lightning, I think. Wasn't that lightning? Or was it just rain dripping off the roof? That wind sounds cool, though. Whoo! Wow. Mother Nature should put on some good shows. I bet you there will be flooding. This is supposed to last till morning, so there'll definitely be flooding somewhere. I just hope it's not bad. We had a really bad flood. Here. Oh, that's a weird looking vehicle. I forget what year it was. It was in Shadyside. What kind of car is that? It's got like a thing on the top of it, or on the front of it. That's weird looking. Had like a, I don't know, light on the front of it, but the light wasn't on, I don't think. And that drain's keeping up so far. It's not like coming back up out of the drain. I wouldn't want to be out driving in this scrap. Jeez. Wow. I'll show you the parking lot one more time. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get off of here. Hope you enjoyed the show. Mother Nature at her finest. Love you guys. Bye for now.